Hey, hello class 2, this is your chapter 4 and the topic of the chapter is rain. As we can see in the picture describes about rainy season. Most of us like rainy season because the season is very pleasant for all of us. So let's start the poem. Here is a girl and she is saying about rain in the chapter. Oh, where do you come from? The girl is asking question to the raindrops. Where do you come from? Do you know, children, where do raindrops come from? It's come from clouds. You little drops of rain, pitter pat down the window pane. What is the meaning of pitter pat and what is the meaning of window pane? Look here, class. Pitter pat, a sound that has many quick light beats, is called pitter pat. So the sound of the raindrops is pitter pat. And down the window pane. What is called window pane? A single whole piece of glass in a window is called window pane. You can see in the picture, this is the picture of window pane here. That means a single glass of window is called window pane. This type of glasses are called window pane. So she says, oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter pat down the window pane. Now in second stanza she says, you won't let me walk when the rain starts. Nobody can go out from home because they will be wet. So the girl says, you won't let me walk, you won't let me play. In the rainy days, playgrounds are full of water and nobody can go there for play. So girl says, you won't let me walk, you won't let me play, and you won't let me go out of doors all day. When it rains, no one is able to go out of the house at the time. All the people have to stay in the house because if we go out, then we can get wet. We cannot even go to play out because there is full of water in playground. So we all have to stay at home all day. So class 1, this is class 2, this is a very beautiful poem about rain. Here the girl is describing about her feelings during rain. Now these are the question answer section from the chapter. First question is, where is the poet? Poet is on the window. Okay. Second number is the poet feeling sad or happy? Poet is feeling, according to the poem, the poet is feeling sad because he cannot go out during the season. Now number 3 is, how do you feel on a day like this? Rainy days, weather is very pleasant all around and the view of nature is very captivating. It thrills me so. And these are the question answer of the chapter. Thanks for watching.